My name is Dhanush from first year BTech CSC Computer Science Engineering from SRIT College. Today the assignment topic is string handling functions. The subject name is IP Introduction to Programming. The subject code is 23CSC G101. My roll number is 244G180580. Now the topic is string handling functions. Sterilin. Introduction to string handling. String handling functions are essential for manipulating text data in programming. These functions enable tasks like measuring lengths, concatenating strings, and searching for substrings. Understanding these functions enhances to efficiency of text processing in applications. Now, overview of Sterilin function. The Sterilin function is a standard library function in C and C++. It calculates the length of a given string, excluding the null terminator. This function is crucial for various tasks, including memory allocation and string manipulation. Now, the syntax of Sterilin. The syntax for using Sterilin is size _t Sterilin constant char str double quote /n/. The parameter str is a pointer to the string whose length is to be determined. Now, how the Sterilin function works? Sterilin iterates through the characters of a string until encounters the null character. It counts each character encountered during the iteration process. The function returns the total count as the length of the string. Now the example of Sterilin. Consider the string hello world passed to Sterilin. This function will return 13 as their 13 characters before the null terminator. This example illustrates how Sterilin accurately counts characters in a string. Now, importance of a null terminator. The null terminator marks the end of a string in C and C++. Without terminator, functions like Sterilin may produce incorrect results. Properly terminating strings is critical for accurate string handling. Common use cases for Sterilin. Sterilin is often used to allocate memory for new strings dynamically. It helps in validating inputs lengths in user interfaces and functions. The function is also useful in loops for processing characters in strings. Okay. Now the performance of considerations. The time complexity of Sterilin is O/O into n, where n is the length of the string. For very long strings, performance can be a consideration in a high frequency calls. Optimizing string handling can improve overall application performance. Okay, now the comparison with other string functions. Unlike strcpy or strcat or strlen does not modify the string. Other string functions may require knowledge of length, making Sterilin strlen a useful precursor. Understanding the differences helps in selecting the appropriate function for tasks. Now, error handling with strlen function. Passing a null pointer to strlen results in undefined behavior. It is essential to check for null pointers before calling strlen. Implementing errors checks ensures robustness in string handling applications. Now, limitations of strlen. strlen can only be used with null terminator strings, limiting its applicability. It does not handle white characters or other character encodings directly. Users must be aware of its limitations. When work with different string types, best spaces for using Sterilin. Always validity input string before passing them to strlen. Consider using safer alternatives when working with user input to prevent buffer overflows. Documenting the expected input types enhances code readability and maintainability. Now, the last but one least, conclusion. The sterling function is a fundamental tool in string handling in C and C++. Its ability to measuring length is visual for various programming tasks. Mastering sterling and its nuances contributes to effects string manipulation techniques. Now the questions and the discussion. Feel free Feel free to ask any question regarding the strlen function and its applications. Let us discuss common challenges faced when using string handling functions in programming. Your insights, your insights and experiences can provide valuable perspectives on the topic. The slide presentation offers a comprehensive overview of strlen function, its uses and best practices in string handling. Okay, thank you for this giving